We're gonna talk all about pre-consultation and why the pre-consultation is extremely important before you start any type of sets.
You're listening to the Full-Time Lash Artist Podcast. If you want to jumpstart your lash career, you can also watch Cosmi's free lash training at www.fulltimelashartist.com. Let's grow.
Hi, my name is Cosmina. I'm a certified lash artist and also a lash trainer. I want to talk to you all about pre-consultation, why the pre-consultation is extremely important, and when the pre-consultation should be done. Now, I'm going to give you some of examples with some of my clients. So let's say this client is going to book a full set in my system, right? Could be mega volume, could be full volume, could be hybrid. Even if they book a mega volume, as soon as they come here, before I start anything, I do the pre-consultation. Pre-consultation means you're going to talk to them, what they expect, what they want, how they want their lashes, and then from there you're going to do the consultation with them and see exactly if that style or that type of set is going to benefit on their natural lashes. So the pre-consultation should be done in the same day of the appointment. You don't have to do this in a separate day. You don't have to do this days before. As soon as they come, they can sit down. You're going to stay in front of them, and then from there you're going to talk. That should be around 3 to 10 minutes. It depends, if they have questions. If they don't have questions, it could be quick, or they may have some sort of questions. You never know. So let's say I have the client right here. What I do first thing first, I always check the type of lashes that they have. Are they thick? Are they healthy? Do they have a lot of gaps? Are they missing a lot of lashes? Are the lashes damaged? So that's why it's extremely important to check those things in order to avoid any type of problems. And another thing that I'm checking all the time is the space between the lash line and the eyebrows. If the people have very hooded eyes and very deep eyes or very sad eyes, you don't want to jump and do a lot of length, because the lashes are going to touch almost the eyebrows, almost above the eyebrows. So it's so important to find the space between, because that's how you know how long you should go on the length. So as soon as you find that out, you can explain them, okay, because it's your first time, you never did, let's say they never did their lashes before, you never did your lashes before, so what I will recommend for your eyes is to start with something light and not too dramatic. Just because you never been here before, I want to see how the lashes are going to hold. I want to see how the glue is going to react on your eyes, and then from there we can always go more, longer, thicker, different type of style. But usually on the first appointment, I always mention this. Let's go a little lighter because you never had them before, and then from your second visit, we can decide if we go more or if we stay the same. So things that you should ask before you start. What type of lashes do you like? Is there anything that you want me to create? Is there anything that you like from my profile? This is what I do with my clients. As soon as they come, I always ask them, do you have any pictures? Do you have any examples of how you want your lashes? Most of my clients, I will say 90% of the times, they said, Cosmina, do whatever you think is best, do whatever you think works for my eyes. And then from there, I create the style that I know it's healthy, it's not damaging their natural lashes, and also I know the retention is gonna stay great. Now, what do I mean by that? It's extremely important to also understand what type of curl and what type of thickness you use for those type of lashes. So let me give you an example. Let's say this client that she came, she has very fragile and very thin natural lashes. So in this case, you want to make sure you choose the correct thickness for their lashes in order to not damage them. So for example, I'm going to create a full volume, right? But the natural lashes are not too thick and the natural lashes are very fragile and we do have some gaps. So in this case, you can tell them, okay, I'm going to create something like a volume, but I'm going to use very fine and very fragile extensions, so nothing is going to damage your natural lashes. And also, another thing that you have to check on their eyes is what type of style and what type of shape they have. If they have drippy eyes, if they have hooded eyes, they have open eyes, what type of style they already have. So in this case, you know exactly what type of style you want to create. The most simple that I do and the most that I create on my clients, even now after years, it's either cat eye to do the lifting effect or either open eye to enhance the lashes and to enhance the eyes, to open the eyes even more. I will say probably 90% of the times I create the open eye. That could be anything like wispy, classic, double classic, wet effect. Any type of set you can create with open eye. So that's why it's extremely important. So you know exactly that the client is gonna be comfortable, you know exactly what they're going to expect, and as soon as they lay down, they're not gonna stay stressed, they're not gonna stay thinking, oh my God, how they gonna do, how she's gonna do, are they going to look good, are they going to look bad, how they gonna look. So in that case, you already did a pre-consultation with them, they already know what to expect, and as soon as they wake up, they're gonna feel beautiful, they're gonna love their lashes, and they feel comfortable. And also, as soon as you finish the set, it's extremely important to also explain them the aftercare, how to take care of their lashes, how to clean them, and also in my case I usually give my clients a full kit of maintaining products, a foam cleanser, a few spoolies, a few brushes, and some cosmetic sponges so they can clean their lashes every day at home. And also what I give them and what I share with them is one of my YouTube video how I clean my extensions, so they see exactly step by step how to clean them. If you don't have any type of video to send them, you can also explain them how to clean the lashes when they are home. So you know 100% that they're gonna take care of them. You know 100% that the lash line is gonna be clean for the next 2-3 weeks, and then they are ready for the next refill. And also the retention is gonna be amazing as well.
If you got a passion for lashes, let me see it. It's time to level up. If you need me to, I'll teach you my 6-figure secret. Better believe it, 'cause I believe in you. You're listening to the Full-Time Lash Artist Podcast. If you want to jumpstart your lash career, you can also watch Cosmi's free lash training at www.fulltimelashartist.com. Let's grow.